What is going on, you guys? It's kzSquid back. Got a little daily vlog for you, a nice little one. It's beautiful out. It's not too hot. I always say it's beautiful because every day is just freaking gorgeous when you get to ride your motorcycle. I'm actually just running a little errand. I'm on my way to the ATM because, you know, your boy gotta pay bills just like everybody else. So YouTube ain't making nothing yet until I get that 1,500 subscribers. So everybody do your part. If you like the video, like it, and if you want, leave a comment, and most of all, please subscribe. Still using my middle finger. My pointer finger's almost good. That's all I got right now on bend, so we're still working with it. Still making moves out here. Yeah, I can look over my shoulder now. The way I had my GoPro mounted before, I couldn't really look over my shoulder without it hitting. Hopefully you guys can see everything behind me now. Oh, I almost fucking crashed. Alright, I'm gonna cut that part. Maybe. So I've been talking to everybody on the Facebook group for our local area, Lehigh Valley Supermoto. And they have a mini Monday ride pretty much every Monday up at a local park near here. It's pretty much in the sticks in the backcountry roads. It's a smaller group of people, but they all ride minis and they're down for wheelies and stuff like that. So one day I gotta get out there real soon. I've been meaning to go for like 3 Mondays in a row, but it just hasn't worked out. It's usually a pretty hectic day for me. I also own my own tile construction business, so my weekdays are filled with that so I can have fun. Alrighty, we made our deposit. Now ready to hit the road. Try to eat my money though. ATM didn't want to deposit that. We're just gonna be doing a little cruise here. I don't really know where I want to go. Always wave at the security guards and the cops, you know, just for fun. They might think you're a nice guy. Nobody's mentioned it yet, but your boy's kzSquid here is definitely squidding out, because ever since I fell, I haven't had a pair of gloves because I tore the fuck out of them. Tore the freak out of them. And I don't know, I gotta get a pair. I've been meaning to go to my local Home Depot just to grab a pair of Milwaukee gloves, because those are like one of my favorites. They're affordable and they're actually durable. But yeah, my buddy RJ says that he has the hookup on some. My buddy RJ says that he has the hookup on some Dakine gloves because he runs the local downhill mountain biking section at our Blue Mountain, which is like a ski resort slash you know, mountain biking, hiking area. and apparently he's got a pair for me, but I'm just waiting to get them. But I know, guys, I need gloves. I actually got my jacket on today because it's so nice out. And I'll tell you what, it feels good. I got it open, it's just blowing in the wind. Can I? Oh, that hurt. Oh, God. Man. Alright, can't clutch in with my pointer yet. I mean, I can, but it's fucking, it hurts a lot. I wish I could just hit a fucking fat second gear John right here. It would be so nice. Little second gear, but no fun. Pretty much no fun. I can hit a burnout. Pretty weak. No bueno. I gotta relax a little bit. I'm gonna end up hurting myself. The other day I was able to finally get a roller where I could take my hand off and, you know, point around, mess around, put some style on it. I just finally got them back because I did my stainless steel brake lines, and after I did that, the brake feel was just so different compared to when I got used to them with the rubber lines, and I just lost my burnouts. But now I got them back. It only took like one day of actually trying, but I hurt myself right after I changed the brake lines. Let's see, maybe I can do one right here. Pretty good. I had a little cruise today. Hopefully I can get some good clips, put together something for you guys for next week. As of right now, I am 1 week ahead, so I already have Saturday's vlog all lined up. Hi, pupper. He looks like he wants to eat me. Go ahead. Glad I got to come out today. I'm actually taking like a extended lunch for my work day. Perks of being self-employed. I got stuff to do afterwards. I gotta hit my accountant, get my taxes figured out and all lined up. I'm gonna duck this guy. I don't think I ever went down that alley. Or actually, no, I did. There's people playing music back there. I think it was a band practice or something like that. It's like I can't let the clutch out fast enough with my middle finger for it to get actually come up, and I need to like yank to get second gear up, and I don't got much pull with my 3-finger grip here. We're still out here having fun. There's a bunch of other things I can practice besides wheelies, such as, you know, burnouts. I can do slow speed wheelies first. They actually come up fairly easy, so I guess I could be practicing those. There's a car behind me now. Gonna bang a lefty into the alleyway. Get some airflow. There's a bike, a R3. Never even heard of that, I don't think. It's a 300 or something bigger. Look at that. We're gonna go straight. Look at this. This is what I deal with around my local area. You got a Toyota Corolla all decked out with police stuff. That's a cop car. That's an undercover. They got Kias out here. I seen, I'm pretty sure, a Ford Ranger, an old Ford Ranger pickup truck undercover. They're doing crazy shit out here. Hadn't caught me slipping yet though. Couple of cats right here stole my dirt bike a little while ago. The cops found them though. They got that shit back. Alright guys, I think we're gonna cut it here. I got a couple clips, some decent footage to go through. Probably have another mashup of ride. It's only out for like a half hour, but I'll catch you then. Peace.